Alright, so this video I wanted to do is of a very clean Volvo, and this is actually the Volvo that has a transmission that I built on the channel, and this is the one with the Extreme Automatics valve body transmission. So we did the Extreme Automatics trans brake valve body, billet input shaft, forward hub, 6 clutch direct, rollerize the rear output, and right now it's still a stock ECU LS car, and he's going to upgrade to Terminator X soon. But on stock ECU, he's going 890s now with this car. So it's a 1983 Volvo 242DL, 2004 LQ9 with 799 heads, Bosch 210s on a stock 2003 Silverado, ECU, 2 Walbro 450s, E85, BTR 660 springs, unknown Texas Speed LS3 cam, LS3 NA cam, Holly Sniper intake with a Nick Williams 92mm throttle body, VS Racing Gen 2 7875, a full 3.5-inch exhaust to the tailpipe with a muffler, narrowed 8.8. A Detroit locker with 327 gears, strange 31 spline axles with 9-inch ends. It has Fox body lower control arm brackets and homemade 4-link bars that he's using the factory suspension locations on. So as far as we know, this is the fastest stock style suspension, stock location suspension Volvo. First one in the 8s. And on top of that, the car is extremely clean. Full interior. He takes very good care of this car. You can tell by the masking tape that's on the rear fenders, so it doesn't get rubber on the car during the burnout. So he takes very good care of this car, and the thing is fast. But congratulations to Brian. He's in the 8s now with his Volvo and 156 trap speed. This thing is fast. He does have an LS Volvo Facebook page, and I'll put that in there. And he does have an Instagram page that he doesn't really use very much. It's Too Fast 242 GT. So maybe if you guys spam his Instagram, he'll start posting more about the car on there. The car does have a Circle D converter, and Circle D actually posted about it on their Facebook page. He is having some issues with it blowing through the converter right now, so he does actually lock this car in 3rd gear. So when he shifts into 3rd gear, the converter is locked also. And before he went to the Extreme Automatics, he was actually locking it at the top of 2nd gear, and then it would be locked through the shift. But now with the Extreme Automatics, he has it locked in 3rd gear. That's why I mentioned in the video, that's why I mentioned specifically we were modifying that so it would lock in 3rd gear. Typically that trans brake doesn't have 3rd gear lockup, but he contacted them and told them what he's doing with the car, and they set it up for him so it would have the 3rd gear lockup. So I got to ride in the car once, and I thought it was really fast, and then he messaged me after, and he said he wasn't locking the converter then. So I didn't get to feel the car with the transmission lock, but it already felt pretty fast. It's a pretty light car. He said he may be interested in starting to make videos about the car, so leave some comments, and if you guys are interested in him possibly making a YouTube channel or posting more about this car, and go check out that Facebook page if you're interested in more LS Volvo stuff.